City is cracking down on smoke shops that are selling cannabis illegally.
Yeah, today Mayor Eric Adams and Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg announced renewed efforts to shut them down. James Ford live on the Upper West Side with more for us tonight. Heather, James.
And yes, joining the mayor and the DA, the local city council member here, Gail Brewer, who said that this is one of more than 1,400 smoke shops citywide selling marijuana and cannabis products without a state license. So the DA announcing this new initiative. The big question is, will it work? Much has been made of the fact that New York has now opened 2 legal cannabis dispensaries in Manhattan. But for each legal dispensary like this, there are hundreds of shops, literally, selling marijuana products without a state license.
You can't just open a shop and sell marijuana.
Mayor Eric Adams talked about the new initiative he's endorsing from Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg.
My office is prepared to take over and pursue eviction proceedings.
Specifically, the DA's office sent out this letter to 400 smoke shops in Manhattan that are not licensed to sell cannabis. The letter warns that the DA is prepared to start an eviction process with landlords of buildings where shops selling illegally are located. And the city's top lawyer, the Corporation Counsel, announced that her office is taking legal action against 4 East Village smoke shops.
A plainclothes officer observed an undercover auxiliary officer under the age of 21 purchase cannabis from these defendant smoke shops.
But she said she couldn't release the names of those businesses and said that taking action against them requires time. Possibly a lot of time.
We filed the papers today. We have not yet been given a court date.
That's one of a variety of ways in which it's unclear if the new measures have a lot of bite or just bark in that pursuit of the shop's landlords.
That they will heed that warning.
Meanwhile, at shops like this in the West Village, some customers say they've long gotten quality cannabis products and will stay loyal.
Absolutely, you know what you're getting, so you can't go wrong.
Even if the place has yet to get its license.
Yep, stick with them. You gotta stay by his side, right?
The store manager, who goes by the name Uncle Sal, said he has just one simple message for the state and city regarding this issue.
Tell them to give us a license.
Just give us a license, he says, but it is a much longer process than just that sort of request. This is one of 400 smoke shops in Manhattan alone that are receiving one of these letters warning about eviction. According to the city council member here, Gail Brewer, whether or not this process works, we'll just have to see in the weeks and months ahead. Meanwhile, the mayor also saying at the news conference that this case with Manhattan can be an example for other boroughs and possibly other cities to follow. That is, if it proves effective. Again, we will just have to see. Right now, reporting live from the Upper West Side, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.